Hi, it's Marian. I have a little thing I want to show with you. I made a present for my sister. It's not a big present, but we shall have our Christmas down at her place. And I don't have money to buy a present for her, so I make a little book and I tied it. I saw on YouTube yesterday. I have take an envelope and put pretty paper and a doily on. And I think, how shall I close it? And I saw one who have used twine, and I think, oh, I buy twine in the store for a couple of days ago, so I can use it. So it's a present outside, and I hang a couple of Christmas men. Sorry my voice, I have a cold. Hej Bendik. Nej, gider du lige? Sorry, my cat want to see what's happened here. Nej. See, I make her a little book, so it's not a, I don't use many things on it, but it's so she can write what she buy, so she know what she shall buy. She had a illness, so she don't remember everything when she is going to buy a thing. So she drive a couple of times to get all thing. So now she can write it down, and I hope she not shall drive so many times. I made a little where she can put her things in bill and so. And I think she can set a picture here and here and here. So it's just a little simple book I made for her, and I hope she like it. I think it was pretty. I also want to show a little thing I made for myself. I have just had my birthday here in November, and I would be sure that I get a present, so I make one for myself. It's a angel card for my guardian angel. I think it's very pretty. I also made a little teapot album. I found a really teapot in the internet, and I say to my husband, oh, can you make me a tablet of this? And okay, I can try. And he draw me a teapot on the computer, so I was very pleased. The first is just a little book with some paper. And I also set a little tag with the small angel ladies. In the first side, I don't have set something on it yet, but I think I would do sometimes. The first, it's me and my sister. I think I am about 4 years old. So it's about middle of the 60s. So it's an old picture. It's me and my old cat when I was about the 4 years old. I think I'm about 5 on this picture. And here it's my father, my sister and me. And here it's Christmas and my mom and I. It's when we dance out around the Christmas tree. And here I say goodnight to my mom. And the last picture is me again. I also make this little book with some charms on, with my little angel and a few other things. And I really like it. It's not so pretty inside, but it only so I can keep my jewelry I don't use, so I know where it is. I also start with another picture. It's for my son, and I set a picture of him here when he was sailing. He was a sailor. It's a couple of years ago. He took out and sail for a year. So I would make a little present for him, so he have a memory. I also make this little angel, just a little canvas. I hope you like my small things. Have a nice Christmas. Bye.